Yes, hello everyone, welcome back again to this video and welcome back again to Know Max TV. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can use this AI SEO trick. So this is a trick that I'm going to be showing you. In these trends of artificial intelligence, you can be using those AI tools to rank your website, to rank your business, to rank your company among various competitions of the companies which are going to be now being ranked in Google or any other platforms. Either on Facebook, you can be able to be ranking high depending on how you use this. Also either on YouTube, either in Google, also in Pinterest, in any other platform, Twitter. Also, you can use any platform, but also once you use this trick, you can be able to rank your site. So if you do not subscribe to this channel, Max TV, subscribe today. Like this video, share this video to our friends, and turn on the notification bell button so as you always get notified when we upload new video here at Max TV. So now you want to rank your business in Google, and also if I want to be searching, for example, business development, you can see if you offer this service of business development, you will see this is now advertised, so this promoted. But also you can see this investor paid there to be first ranking. You see hub blogspot. Also you see everything is going to be ranking depending on which position you have. Also try to rank, also try to optimize in this platform. So you optimize your site online so that it can be visible online. This video, let's use Google Bard and see how we can use Google Bard as an AI tool to be ranking our platform, our content. If I come here in Google Bard, for example, I want to be making a content about the top 10 business ideas as the keyword that I'm going to be ranking on our business. For example, I can ask Google Bard, I want to make content which is talking about the top 10 business ideas. 10 business ideas to start online today. So this is my content. You can see now these ideas. I give it a topic that I want to be exploring about. So if it's about the top 10 business ideas that I can start online today, I can click in this. You see now I put it in quotation mark here, so to ensure that it's going to be including this keyword or this sentence or this title that I'm going to be ranking. So now, can you please give me the ranking titles in Google based on that title. So I ask you this. So for example, if I ask Google Bard this question like this, I'm going to be waiting that so I can give me the link, also the ranking title that I can be using. As you can see, it is going to be giving me all the titles that are ranking in Google, and it's going to be giving me the hint, and so it is showing me the sites. As you can see, it's going to show me now this one is the best one, which have been ranked high. Also, you can see 41 on the businesses ideas can start in 2023. It's the second one. You can see now it has arranged every details or every data about these business ideas. You see, based on the site, it has ranked depending on how the site has optimized its title or how the site is optimized in Google search. For this reason, I can, based on these titles I have related to rank my site. For example, if we have got these 26 business ideas, online business ideas, we can start is now, which is the ranking. You can also choose to be ranking another one. You can also ask this Google Bard as an AI tool to generate title for you from this combination of these titles. These articles provide variety of online business ideas that you can start today. Some of the most online business ideas that they provide include this one. Now you can ask this Google bot this question. Based on those titles you provided, create for me the best ranking title that I would be using for my article. It must be unique. So now you can be now asking the question like this. If you ask the question like this, for example, now, and also I will have to wait then to create the title for me. As you can see, it generated the title for me that I can be now naming my article. If I take this article and I'm going to be ranking it to my site or to my article, I'm going to be getting the traffic I want to be coming on my site. For example, let me try searching this. If I search this 10 online business ideas that can make money online today in 2023, you can see if I come here on this research or keyword research, it is going to be also showing me that this keyword is ranking on the top of the businesses. 10 online business ideas that can make you money in 2023. Now it is said 2023, and also you can see now it is ranking at the top in Google. If you consider this, or if you use this strategy, you are going to be getting also the high ranking keyword that you can be using by using this AI tool. I mean Google Bot. So most AI tools are coming with the capabilities of performing various tasks, and also depending on how I'm going to be using every task, that is how I'm going to be also getting to know how you will be benefiting from them. As you can see, this is now advertised, and also we cannot measure this in the form of advertisement. But also, if we come here and see the list of the keywords or the titles that it provided to us, you can see now it is ranking the opinions. This is 41 online business ideas you can start in 2023, and if we come here, you're going to get 41, 25. You can see every details are here, and also are referring each other depending on how everything is now arranged. What you need to do, you need to be able to analyze these details, come up with the title, come up with what you think you can be making about, you can be writing about, maybe you can be publishing about. And also, once you come here and go back and consult it, you can get to have an ideas of how you can be doing this, how you can be getting the real titles or which are going to be ranking. So you can even be asking to write the description for you about this title, I want to be publishing. If you want the description about this article, that article I'm going to be publishing. So now, if you click send, it's going to be also generating the title for you that you are going to be now making also the description that you can be including in your description part. You can see it is writing the description. Are you looking for, you can see, are you looking for, yes, you can see now it's going to be giving me the generations. Now, are you looking for way to make money online? If you are so lucky, there are many online businesses that can be profitable. Even if you're just starting out, in this article, we discuss 10 of the most popular online businesses for 2023. This is how you can be using this AI Google Bot to be also getting the ranking keyword in Google, and also you can be publishing it to your site, your products, and also your video. Depending on which kind of title you have created, you can also even generate the keywords. And also this one you are going to be generating is going to be helping you to rank higher because it is going to be the one you have generated for this AI tool. And also it has consulted various of data that can help you to be now generating traffic. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to like this video, subscribe to this channel now Max. If you have any suggestion or comment, leave it in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell button so as you always get notified when I upload a new video here at Max TV.